4 games down, 2 games pa po ang ating matutunghayan dito sa Delta Cup. Magandang hapon maya. Palapon kayo mga kabalen. My name is Ryan Parabule. Live na live po dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga. Our game at hand, it's Lubao against San Simon. Both these teams have a 2-game winning streak. Alam naman natin yung isa sa mga classic games na na-cover natin last November, yung Lubao versus Apora. But after that, they have the strong consecutive wins for Lubao, dismantling their opponents by an average margin of 20+ points. Samantala naman ang San Simon, they coming up very close wins, pero ang pinaka-moral boosting dito sa San Simon ay halos kompleto ang kanilang lineup. Kung matutunghayan natin ang mga lineups na to, one thing's for sure that we expect that we're gonna have a bolster rebounding, teammanship, and also shooting. Isa pang titignan natin sa Lubao is kung ganun pa rin ang kanilang 3-point accuracy because their last game was on December. So may isang buwan tayong nawala dito sa Delta Cup. So conditioning and strength will be key factors. So it's gonna be Lubao versus San Simon coming up next. And we're moments away to start this ball game featuring San Simon and Lubao. Pangan Srike, also number 17. Or sorry, yan pala yung starting fives. Delfino, Gonzalez, Sinke, Manalang, and Pangan. Player to watch out for is Manalang, who drilled a lot of 3-point shots that game. San Simon, we had Punsalan, Dimla, Angeles, Salian, and Santos. Okay. First possession for San Simon. Oh, gandang drive doon. A nice tip in by Santos. Manalang. There's a 3-point shot from the corner. Ito yung special artistry dito ng Lubao. Ang galing na shooting. Excuse me. Turnaround shot. It's good. Pakita kagad ang Lubao. Delfino with the basket. To all their tally. Punsalan pump fakes. Drives. And he draws a foul. At si Sinke ang tinawagan ng foul. Tingnan natin yung action. Ayun, bangga talaga. It's a good call. Press is no good. One more free throw. The split. 3-2 is our count. A minute gone by sa ating first quarter. Binabati ko yung isa sa mga magaling announcers sa basketball, Richard Tampos, kung nanonood ka. Hello, Richard. Delfino misses a 3-point shot. Here's the drive, the drop. Inside play, Salihan too strong. Tip in won't work. Salihan very active hands. Ponzalan can't drill it. Oh, this is a great matchup, huh? Both teams are very quick to respond. Sinke, 3-ball, air ball. Of course, Lubao is also a product of one of the PBA greats, Ato Agustin, and also former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, hails from Lubao, Pampanga. And also in Lubao, the upcoming Pradera Verde Park, and also the very first Formula One in the country, Pradera Verde Racing Circuit, which will open on 2028. Delfino cannot cut loose. It was ragtagged by the defenders, and it is a lost possession for Lubao. San Simon will bring down the letter slowly, gingerly. Angeles. Inside to Salihan. It's a warning on number 22, Manalang, for faking a foul. Three-point shot converted. Gonzalez. Here's the drive. And a bucket by Angeles. So the scoring spree now continues. Sinke. That's a second straight turnover for Lubao. And so far, San Simon making headway here in the first quarter. Especially those loose changes. But this time it's a turnover. Delfino flies high to the hole. Seven, 5. Time remaining 6 minutes and 30. Ooh, bodies flying. And Gonzalez had some knee problems, because take a look at this. What exactly happened? Salihan against a much highly touted Manalang defending. 5 to shoot on the shot clock. Ponsalan on the free throw line. There's a double team. He lets it fly. No, rebound de la Cruz. Cross court, Manalang, his favorite spot. Not this time around. Pass by Angeles is errant. Turnover. Seven, 5 minutes and 55 remaining in the first quarter. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Bounce pass. Here's the drive. The layup, bitin. Dimla Secures control and gets to the hole. Even Steven at 7. Third deadlock. Pangan's pass. Broken up. And once again, fast break completion for San Simon, courtesy of Salihan. (9-7). Manalang. Swift retaliation didn't pay off. (12 to shoot now for San Simon. Illegal pick by Ponsalan, offensive foul. Delfino brings it up for the blue shirts. Gonzalez launches. Missing a 3. De La Cruz offensive rebound. Long on his jumper. And we have a foul against San Simon. Substitution now for the white shirts. Added ceiling in height there for the white shirts. 3-point shot from the corner. No. Delfino will try again. It's going to be an out of bounds play. .4:17 left first quarter. Again, another close game. 9-7. Third straight time that we have this. Delfino with a cross. Delfino long on a shot. One-handed shot. Dimla will slow it down. Point guard signaling play number 3. The cut. One more recovery. It didn't drop. (17 seconds on the shot clock. San Simon, marking matchup between these two clubs. San Simon has an height. Lubao has the experience, but both teams really want to take flight, and we have a foul. In and out. Scores 10-7. San Simon, 3-point lead. 3.5 minutes, first quarter. Here's the cut. Two players ganging up on him, and we have a foul. Lubao now wants to recycle the offense. 7 to shoot now. Get away? No. Another lost possession. Counter steal. Oh. Dismal failure there. Less than 3 minutes remaining in the first. Manalang, his favorite spot. It will not work. Still can't buy a basket from the outside. That's Manalang. But once he hit it, it will be hard to stop, and we have a fast break opportunity for Lubao. Lorico's first basket. 2:20 left. They almost throw away that ball. And we have a whistle. We have a foul. We have a timeout. The score is 10-9. San Simon up by 1, 2:16 remaining. With 2 minutes and 16 remaining, San Simon up by just a point. De La Cruz steals it. De Leon, corner. Offensive rebound for Lubao. Kick out. Gonzalez fires. Can't buy a basket, and De Leon pushed someone. It's a foul on Lubao. De Leon penalty situation in effect for Lubao. Let's see that again in slow-mo. What happened? Oh, yes, it is a push. He pushes Nimla out of the way. And Nimla will take 2 shots. Second free throw is good. Under 2 minutes remaining, 1 minute and 43. The lead is 3 for San Simon. Corner. And there's a push. Second foul on De Leon. A minute and 26 remaining. First quarter. San Simon holding on to his 4-point lead. And your guess is as good as mine. It's going to be another close encounter. Zita now in the ballgame for Lubao. They need some ceiling underneath. Again, you're still watching Delta Cup here at BREN Ziyang Convention. Dimla makes both. The lead is 5 for San Simon. Swinging around. De La Cruz zip pass. Zita foul away. First field goal for Zita. A minute remaining in the first. Kapiting first appearance for him. Drop pass. Herrera. Heartbreaker of a miss. There's going to be a foul on San Simon on the outside. So that's only the 14th foul on San Simon. They're leaving their 15-second shot clock for Lubao to mount a play. 10 on the shot clock now, De La Cruz. Down to 5 seconds. Are they aware of the clock? One second on the shot clock. It's going to be a catch and shoot situation for Lubao. Quick release. Didn't hit iron. Shot clock expired. And we're down to the final 16 seconds. Vergara runs out of space. And it is a steal for Lubao. It is an offensive foul. No, it is a blocking foul. Take a look at this. Yeah, it is blocked. All right, De La Cruz. Give them a 2-point deficit. Five seconds remaining. Oh, they lost it. And they pay the price. Basket for Lubao, and that should do it. First quarter is a stalemate. 14 apiece after 10 minutes of playing time. Let's take a look at some of the highlights of the first quarter. Fast breaks, fast breaks, fast breaks. Whoever gets blink, you'll be missed by a bus. And this San Simon offensive rebound, it's a rarity that someone, or rather a basket, Lubao passing, shooting, and scoring. Another instance, steal in a bucket. First quarter is draws to a close. Second quarter is coming up. We're just moments away to start the second quarter. Welcome. This is Ryan Parra, tuning coverage of Delta Cup live at the BREN Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. The score is 14 apiece. Basket counts. Oh, what a sort of introduction on that. And that deserves a second look. As we take a look at this driving play and one getaway. And a foul to boot. Lorico. That's what you call a swamming move as it completes the 3-point play opportunity. Turnover. That's a three. Straight and through, Lorico. Taking over the scoring conscious in the second. Suddenly, Lubao up by 6. The kamikaze drive didn't drop. Zita is slightly hurt on that one. But he's okay. To 14 is the count. 9:09 remaining in the second. Here's the hook shot. It drops like a semi-hook, huh? He literally just threw it up. And San Simon spells trouble, suddenly down by 8, 22-14. We have a timeout. .8:59 remaining in the second. 22-14 is the count. A bounce pass. That's a turnover. So that's Salihan. So slow down tempo now for Lubao. 3-point shot on its way. Failure. Rebound control. One more time on the block. De La Cruz short. To get it right back. One more time. He attacks the lane. Draws a foul. And will take 2 shots. So De La Cruz really is a type of guy that really wants to attack. Attack, attack, attack. Great shot by De La Cruz. Rebound. Fought for. Nope. Mission shot. Fast break. And out of bounds. Oh! It hit the monitor. It hit the monitor. For 3-14. 3-point shot on its way. Yes. Big 3-point shot. That's Manlasan. 23-14. 7:45 in the first. Another steal, another heist. Fast break completion. It gets it to go. What? Second quarter by Lubao. Replay shows their fast break throttle is in full display. Bonus free throw, yes. 26-14. Or 29-14. 15-point outburst. San Simon only scored a basket here. Still can't buy it. And another turnover. Or the ball will go to San Simon with 7:22 remaining. Angeles. It is a turnover again. Those turnovers really hurting them. 29-14, 7:15 remaining in the second quarter. A spin move. Beautiful. (29-14). Hang time. Block. Zita blocks the shot. Take a look at this replay. Woo! Woo! That's a defensive stop after he saw that. So 2 free throws now for San Simon. First free throw is good. Second free throw is good. (21-16). 6:50 remaining in the second quarter. Now, the Lubao is now leveling up. Look at this drive to the basket. You know, these guys, little guys, are the creators. They want to create the situation in such a way that after a slow first quarter, Lubao just leveled it up and suddenly burst to a 31-point output. All right, free throws now. Shot will not work. Almost a jump ball there. They're ganging up the ball carrier. And here's San Simon looking for a basket that still can't buy it. Only 2 field goals. Another home run. You got it! And listen. And I can sense that this crowd goes nuts as Lubao levels up another fast break finish. May kasama pang foul. Free throws now. Bonus free throw is good. What a output, 34 points for Lubao. They almost scored 20 already. We're still halfway past the second quarter. 3-point shot. And suddenly San Simon shooting gone cold. Ice cold. Ten seconds on the shot clock. 34-16. Left quarter court 3. That's air ball. He forces that issue that time. (34-16). Almost a turnover. Inside pass. Can they score another bucket? No, they don't. Another rebound by Lubao, and they continue to burn, continue to run, continue to shoot. Manalang! Lubao is on fire. 37 points. 20-plus point output. San Simon finally breaking the dry spell that they have for the past 5 minutes. Simbulan. Let's see if Lubao continues to level up their game. That time, a forced shot by Manalang. He checked there. A foul is given up. Here's the drive. Here's the shot. There you go. (18-37). What is happening to San Simon? The look at the coach of San Simon tells us all. They are abashed. They are astonished of what has been a scoring drought. They only scored 3 field goals in this quarter as compared to a 37-point outburst after a deadlock in the first quarter 14. Lubao scored 23 points. And we're just past half of this second quarter. And that's how lethal this Lubao is. Now free throws. Free throw is good. (19-37). Now Lubao continues. The big question is in the second half, are they gonna lose a stride or they're gonna continue? Tutuloy-tuloy ba yung shooting nila? Ito, wala. Masyadong malalim. Manalang spins. Manalang turns. Nowhere to be found. Nowhere to go. That's a frustration foul by Manalang. Good thing it's just a 13th foul for Lubao. With 4:33 remaining the second quarter. Almost a turnover. There's some trap. 4:20. Bounce pass. Jump shot. Yes. So finally, San Simon breaks the 20-point barrier. 21-37. Exactly 4 minutes left in the second quarter. Three-point shot on its way. Lubao continues to sizzle. Every player almost conceivably scoring at will. And that's going to be a foul against Lubao. Two free throws now for San Simon. Free throws now for San Simon. 18-point deficit staying for them. Make that 7. 3 minutes and 31 remaining, 40-23. Lubao up by 17 points. Here's the jump shot. Referees nullified that attempt as Fajardo was called for the offensive foul. Very animated crowd here at the GUIAO Convention Center. .321 remaining in the second quarter. Basket for San Simon. (40-25). Approaching 3 minutes in the second. Drop pass. Jumper. No. Up fake. Nicely done. Outsmarting 3 players completely. De La Cruz. Out of time on the shot clock. And another charging foul. This time it will be San Simon's turn to be, whistled by the refs for that. The second personal foul. .238 remaining in the first half. Just to remind you the results of our first matches. As you see, this 3-point shot, that's no good. First game, Mexico 108, Arayat 56. Second game, Apalit 85, Bacolor 78. Third game is Minalan 80, Guagua 77. And the game preceded this is Santo Tomas 76, Candaba 70. So we're now on game 5 of 6. Later on, we'll have the main game at hand. 2 minutes remain in the first half of action, 44-25. Baseline drive by Delfino, halted by the refs. There's going to be a foul. Free throw for Delfino is good. Second free throw is good. And we're going to have a timeout. Score is 44-25, under 2 minutes remaining. We'll be right back. Okay, we're about to continue this coverage with a minute and 55 remaining in the second quarter. It is a 20-point lead for Lubao. A sensational outburst. That's a 31-point output. Score tied at 14, end of the first. Finally, a 3-point shot for San Simon. That has been a long time na huli silang nakatira. 45-28. Delfino dancing around. Starter step. Right quarter court three, wala. Get it right back. The reverse layup short. Minute and 15 remaining. Cut. Foul upstairs. And Dima will take 2 shots. You can see that again in slow-mo. A cut and the foul. All right, free throws now. 45-28. Yes! First free throw is in. Slowly but surely, San Simon getting back on track. They have been down by as much as 21 points. Now it's just down to 16. Make that 15. De La Cruz brings it downtown for Lubao. Under a minute remaining. 3-point shot, nothing. Get it right back. Good save though. It will. No, it will not. It will go to the other party. .45 ticks before we end this first half. Left quarter court 3 in and out. Rebound control for Lubao. .26 seconds to go. Here's the 3 ball. It rims out. They still get the ball back. Fresh shot clock. 7-second differential. Jumper. It goes. De La Cruz. 9 seconds remaining before we call this a half. 5 seconds. 4, 3. They need to put it up now. 1 second to go. No. Halftime score 30-47. It's a 17-point lead for Level Up Lubao. After we're tied at 14, Lubao torching the hoop with 33 points. Halftime break and a halftime analysis with more here in Delta Cup. Okay, 47-30 ang ating talaan. Lubao up by 17. Let's show our viewers our first half highlights for this offensive-oriented ball game. Yung atake ng Lubao, basket and one, Longko. It's been the hot shooting second quarter of Lubao that has made the difference. Almost everybody contributed immensely for Lubao. So take a look at this fall-away shot. Bulan, inside track, layup, yeah, the basket. And let's take a look at our top scores for both teams. We will show that on the screens in a few moments. After this, meron pa po tayong isang laro na matutunghayan. So nakita ko yung isang team nag-aanda na for this last game of this afternoon here at the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Nakabalik na sa dugout ang San Simon. A very short break. Okay. Leading scorers, San Simon, Dimla, 13 points. Garcia, 5. Sambulan, 4. For Lubao, De La Cruz, 12. Lorico, 11. Gonzalez, 6. What a performance so far by De La Cruz. Third quarter is coming up in just a bit. Stay with us. Okay, we're about to start the third quarter action. Ayos lang ating mga table officials ng shot clock. At sa may baba dito sa GUIAO Convention Center. Kumbaga yan, yung technical free throw muna ng San Simon, Lintis. Third quarter is about to start right now. (47-30), Lubao up by 17. The layup is good for San Simon. (47-32). Baseline drive. The layup is good. Beautifully done. (17 points. Swift retaliation for San Simon. That's Garcia who made the basket. 49-34. The lead is 15. Here we go. De Leon, 3 ball. Nope. Almost a steal. When gun bind is third. Here's the drive and the basket. And one. Well, that's a 3-point play opportunity. Let's see that. Here's the pass. Here's the drive. Ah, yes, it is a foul. Garcia will take the 3-point play opportunity. But a miss. 8:45 remaining in the third. The lead is 13. De La Cruz had the hot hand, but the ball goes out of bounds. (49-36). The lead is 13. Garcia brings it downtown for the white shirts of San Simon. 3-point shot on its way. Bingo! And now the comeback of San Simon. They're just 10 away. And the crowd is now yelling defense. It is an offensive foul on Del Pino. Delfino thought that there's a flop, but the referee called otherwise. It is a charge on Delfino. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Yes, he really shoved. He really shoved Delfino that time. We have a timeout. We'll be right back. Eight minutes and 10 remaining in the third quarter. It is a 10-point lead right now for the Lubao. Here's the bounce pass to Sinas up fake. San Simon on offensive corner pocket 3 if it goes. It doesn't. Rebound control for the white shirts. You have 12 seconds on the shot clock right down the baseline. There's a double team and the ball goes out of bounds. It will stay with the white shirts of San Simon. Ten seconds on the shot clock. It's going to be inbound play for the white shirts. From the baseline, here's the jumper, one-handed. That's not going to work. And the rebound controlled by the blue shirts. And they took 4 precious seconds on the shot clock of Lubao. And only need to cross the 4 seconds on the 8-second line, and they do it successfully. Calvino holding on. Here's De La Cruz, the top scorer for Lubao this particular ball game. De La Cruz There's a jump shot. It is a foul. And San Simon fans and even the coaches cannot believe it. Going for the shots right now for Lubao. And now slowly but surely Lubao is feeling the pressure. Split. 50-39. The lead is 11 for Lubao. Time remaining 7 minutes and 15 seconds. There's going to be a foul given up by Lubao on that particular driving play. Slower replay shows that smartness of the white shirts. They're ganging up and they do contact. Will take 2 shots. That's Garcia. Had a free throw made right now, 50-39. Time remaining is 7 minutes and 13 in the third quarter. And look at the trap right now for Lubao. San Simon now giving confidence. They're just down by 11. It is a one-on-one confrontation. There's some pick provided. Here's Delfino. Will utilize the pick, goes left side. Here's a drive, the spin by Delfino. The beautiful drive. The tip in won't work. Put back inside the paint. Zita scores the basket. And now San Simon goes for the one. And that one is a rejection. Inbound now receive. Touch passing. Wide open 3-point shot for San Simon. Beautiful. Oh, Angeles leasing of life here for San Simon. They're just down by 9, 43-52. Time remaining 6 minutes and 25 to the third quarter. De La Cruz. And swinging around the right wing, Delfino. Delfino momentarily open. 7 seconds. Start a set. Goes baseline. The follower is short. It's air ball. And now San Simon ganging up on the one. Fast break finish. Kind of fast break. Delfino caught himself in too deep. Ball goes loose. It will stay with the blue shirts. Let's see that again. Look at the fans here. And look at the fast break finish, Delfino. And now here's Manalang, who is one of the spot-up shooters for this team. Still offline. Almost a counter steal. It will stay in the back here to San Simon. We have 19 seconds on the shot clock. (52-45) approaching the halfway house of the third quarter. There's a double team. Top of the key three. That didn't drop. Oh, look at that. Timely basket. 45-52. 5 minutes and 16 in the third quarter. 7-point lead. Hold on, folks. This is going to be a blockbuster. 3 ball didn't materialize. Ball saved to the wrong party. Manalang brings it up for Lubao. Manalang on the left wing. Inside track, inside bash. 100 shot. It's too strong. He gets right back. It's not going, but on the third thing, still nothing. We have a whistle. Four minutes and 49 remaining in the third quarter. Another big guy just check in for Lubao. That's Danan. Let's see if his rebounding and shot block making will be a vital cog of this campaign for Lubao. I don't know why the shot clock's not moving, but anyway, there's going to be a foul. Take a look at this replay. (54-45), 1 minute and 34 remaining. This is going to be action-packed third quarter. Now, Lubao looking for a more comfortable cushion. They're sensing a major uprising in forthcoming for San Simon. 10 seconds on the shot clock. And look at this. The referee signals something. And the fans and the coaching staff of San Simon cannot believe it. It's going to be a foul against San Simon. It has been an animated crowd. Take a look at this. Last bit of action is Lobo. Let's see where's the foul. There's the foul on this left side, right on the table official. Longo has it. Longo with the crossover. Longo almost lost it. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Longo goes right. Longo, is that a traveling? It is a dribbling violation. (54-45), 1:19 remaining in the third quarter. (4:10) remaining. Here's the jump shot. Rattles in. (47-54). 1 minute remaining in the third. There's De La Cruz. De La Cruz on the outside. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Shot clock down to 10. We have a foul underneath. So correction on our scoreboard. It should be a third quarter instead of second quarter. We apologize for the technical mishaps. There you go. That's the right term. (54-47), Zita. Zita now. Baseline drive. It's stepping on the line with Zita right in the heart of referee Arnold Lazaro. All right, Lubao will call a timeout with 3 minutes and 46 remaining. All right, back to live action. The score stands at 47-54. It's a 7-point lead for Lubao. 3 minutes and 46 remaining. And uprising is mounting. As far as the San Simon is concerned, the jump shot is made. Just like that. That's Ponsalan with another basket. 3.5 minutes remaining. It's a 5-point lead for Lubao. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Lubao wearing in blue. San Simon wearing in white. Baseline drive. Here's the shot. More wide. Rebound control. But we better. We better brings it downtown for the white shirts. Here's the jump shot. Offline. Defensive rebound. Got it. And a foul. And suddenly, what a comeback by San Simon. They're just down by 1 possession. Take a look at this at the replay. TOA remaining is a missed free throw. Blue shirt still has it. That's Lubao. And now ganging up the ball carrier. And it's going to be a jump ball. The jump ball will be possession for Labao. In the meantime, there's going to be a foul. Wow, this ball game, it has been an up and down situation. You'll never know if San Simon can pull up upset or the Blue Shirts can stay afloat. Look at his drive to the basket, and he draws a foul, just like that, a hacking foul. (54-51). 2 minutes and 52 remaining in the third quarter. And the bucket. (55-51). Sibulan checks back in for the white shirts of San Simon. 2:50 remaining still in the third quarter. Anybody's ball game. Let's see who will hit weighted here. Right down the baseline, 13 seconds on the shot clock. They're swinging around on the left wing. Here's the steal, and here's the opportunity to score at will, and Delfino will go for the home run. 57-52. The lead is 5 points. Another missed shot there by the white shirts, and another opportunity wise on another fast break opportunity. Delfino with the spin. Delfino with the behind the pass. Beautifully done. Nicely done. Oh, nice shot. Down to the 2 minutes of this third quarter. (59-54), only 5 seconds on the shot clock. They need to put it up a 3 now. That's short. 1 minute and 39 on the fast break opportunity for the white shirts. Let's see if they can capitalize this one. Clobbered! And it is a traveling. (59-53) is the count. 1 minute and a half remaining. It's going to be anybody's ball game from here on in. We're still in the third quarter. We still have eternity of basketball ahead of us. Crossing over. Here's the bounce pass. They're swinging around on the left wing. Spins, turns. Goes for it. It is going to be a traveling. Better 15 remaining in its third quarter. That's a 6-point lead right now for the Blue Shirts of Labao. And Labao gets the steal. There's another passing opportunity, but that time it was clobbered forward. Got a pass break for the white shirts. From the corner, nice up fake. Wide open 3 from top of the key. Bullseye! How about that? The lead is just a 1 possession. Final 5 seconds. Final 45 seconds rather before we end this third quarter. Baseline. That's going to be a foul. Slow-mo tells you why. All the point of videos right now for the BAYUNG. Video for Delfino, yes. 59-56, half a minute remaining this third quarter. Fourth issue. Successful. We're down to the final 19 seconds of the third quarter. This is just a 2-point game. 6-3 played. Lubao and San Simon. A very, very closely fought encounter. 7 seconds. Jumper on its way. It bounces down. Battle for the rebound. 1 second to go. And that should do it. It is a 10-point winning margin. Sorry. It's a 2-point margin, rather. 60 points for Lubao and 58 points for San Simon. Let's take a look at our third quarter highlights to see how close, how tantalizing close this game. As we see this basket by the White Shirts. Bounce pass and a bucket. And on Lubao's side, baseline drive, getaway. The basket there, Garcia. That's about it for the third quarter. Fourth quarter coming up. This is your League Delta Cup. Fourth quarter action. Ito na po. 3-point shot, hindi pumasok. So patibayan doon na loob. What a comeback by San Simon. So this will be a battle of wits here on in. And they almost getting away. Fakes. And there's going to be a foul. Simbulan. First free throw, Simbulan, yes. Second free throw, Simbulan. Tied game at 60. Tied game. We have a foul. $60 all, 9:27. Let's see what will be the play. Back dribble, layup. And now San Simon, first taste of the lead since the first quarter. They do. And the crowd goes berserk. 62-60. 3-point shot, 1 point. And suddenly Lubao crumbled on the fourth quarter. Inside pass, pump fake. Batted away. Delfino brings it up. Delfino drives. Dish up. It goes. $62 all. 8.5 minutes. 14 to shoot. Another steal. Fast break opportunity for De La Cruz. He lays it up and in. 64-62. Approaching 2 minutes gone by in this first. Inside track. Force the issue. And another bucket. We're tied again. All. We have an offensive foul. Take a look at it slow-mo. Yes, he pushes it. Offensive foul. So, both teams love to sell their calls. Look at the fans here in full delight. Inside incursion, no good. Put back inside the paint. He's wide open. He scores. Important possession now for the BAYUNG. And there's going to be a foul. (66-64). Seven minutes and 11 remaining. The Gladner cut that will materialize. Possible 3-point play. So that's a nice cut by Gonzalez. 6-6-6-6. 66-66. 3-point play opportunity. 67-66. Seven minutes remaining in the third. And almost a basket there for the white shirts. 67-66. Fast break. Oh, there's a foul. Bone quenching. Gut-wrenching ball game. Let's see that again in slow-mo. That fast lane Delfino running amok against 3-4 all defenders on him. Ganging out on Delfino. The cut by Delfino, no. Ball batted away. And it goes San Simon ball. Very intense ball game. Let's see that again in slow-mo. What a nice save. What a nice save. 66-67. It's a 1-point lead. Right down the baseline. It's a foul. It's a foul. There's a second personal foul. Now Dimla will shoot 2 important free throws. Press is short. Important free throws for Dimla. This is how tantalizingly close this ball game is. 68-66. I'm sorry, 67 all. Tied game, 67. 6 minutes and 25 remaining in this ball game. Delfino from top of the key. Delfino will make his move now. Here's De La Cruz, the top scorer for the squad. Suddenly silent in the third, but he can recover the fourth. Delfino, that's a long 3-point shot. That's short. He beat the shot clock buzzer. The play continues. And Delfino will be called for the foul. Or important play right now for San Simon. We're tied at 67 with 6 minutes and 2 left. Anything can happen in this ball game. It's like a swing of the pendulum on a sunglass. Here's the shot. It goes out, back for the rebound. Body's flying, and there's a whistle. And both teams now in penalty situation. So from here on, it's going to be battle free throws. We're tied at 67 apiece. And slowly but surely, or slowly rather, Lubao struggling at the free throw line. We're tied at 67, 5 minutes and 49 remaining in this fourth and final quarter. Only important possession. Here's Angeles for the 3. That's off tangent to the left. Cut a fast break, and here's Gonzalez on the run. Securing that home run and giving them a 2-point cushion, 69-67. Approaching the halfway house of this final quarter, 5 minutes and 30. 3-point shot, all day to shoot. He dribbles it out, fires a 3 and misses. A best shot inside the paint. And securing is Lubao. They're protecting a solitary 2-point lead with 5 minutes remaining in this ball game. That's a long 3-point shot for De La Cruz. Untimely hit. Here's the lob. Up breaks. And a conversion. We're tied at 69, 4 minutes and 43 remaining in this basketball game. Anybody's ball game. That's going to be free throws time once again, but there's going to be a hall play. We're going to have a timeout. We'll rest some lawyers a bit, conserve our voices. This is going to be a carjack game. Timeout. Exact time remaining, 4 minutes and 37. We are dead. Excuse me. Excuse me po. With tied at 69 apiece. Ryan para po lamang, live to live sa BREN Convention Center. It's only game 5 of 6 of Delta Cup. That's why I'm trying to conserving my voice as much as possible. Free throw is good for Lubao. 70-69. Kasi meron pa tayong isa pang laro after this. It's a 1-point lead for the Blue Shirts of Lubao. 4 minutes and 32 remaining. Salihan. They swing it around. There's a drive to the basket. Layup is no good. Rebound. Blue Shirts has it. Hong misses. Putback is there. (72-69) now. Approaching the 14th of this 14th final quarter. The lob pass. Inside track. Beautifully done. The lead is 72-71. This guy has been superb for the comeback aspirations of San Simon Simbulan. 9 seconds of the shot clock. De La Cruz, top score for the Blue. De La Cruz outside sniping. Here is Manalan, 3-point shot. Not there. In the meantime, we have a foul underneath. It's going to be 2 free throws now for the offended party. Two shooters or two free throws that will be awarded. 72 all. Important free throws now for Garcia. Tied at 72. 3 minutes and 25 remaining in this final quarter. Delfino attacks. Against 3 defenders. Moves out. Pops out. Back to Delfino with 12 on the shot clock. Delfino, 3 ball. Nothing. In the meantime, here's the guard, the layup, the block shot. $14 seconds on the shot clock, 3 minutes remaining in the game clock. Anybody can happen for me on in. 3-point shot from top of the key. In and out. Rebound controlled. They still get it with Rush 14. San Simon outsmarting the blue counterparts on the defensive board. Garcia launches from 3-point country, a failure. We get it right back once again. And this time is still unsuccessful. 4th offensive rebound. Still no soak. And Lubao says enough is enough. Tie game is 72. 2 minutes and a half remaining of this ball game. Pick provided by Zita. Only 4 seconds on the shot clock. De La Cruz pops out, 3-point shot. It goes out. The lob intercepted by Delfino. Delfino stumbled upon. Delfino broke loose, picks it up. Inside Zita. Zita will score the basket. And there's the announcement of Ma'am Molin's Tibucio. Last 2 minutes, 74-72. Garcia drops it up. And that's going to be a foul. All important free throws right now from here on in. Whoever crumbles the pressure, it will be the other team that will get victorious as Simbolan scores the free throw. The lead is 74-73. Time remaining is 1 minute and 48 remaining in this ball game. Missed shot on the second try. San Simon holding on. De La Cruz on the right wing, 3-point shot. It goes! Big basket by De La Cruz. What a big basket. What a cushion for Lubao. 4-point lead, a minute and 25. And San Simon will utilize this timeout. Take a look at this nerve-wracking three. Right on the nose. All important possession for San Simon. Big basket there by De La Cruz on the right side of the court. 10 seconds on the shot clock. A minute and 22 in the ball game. The count is 73-77. Lubao. 6 on the shot clock. From the corner, 3-point shot. It goes out. Rebound. White still has it. There's a lot of offensive rebounds. Here's a three-point shot on the right corner court. Angeles drills it. It is now a one-point game, 77-76. A minute and 7 remaining. Both teams in penalty. Both teams have one more time at the goal. That's our game reset. Delfino now brings it downtown on the left wing. Delfino drives onto the hole. It could have been counted, but there's going to be a foul against San Simon. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Isolation. Delfino just too quick. All important free throws now for Delfino. He crumbled under pressure. (77-76). Time remaining is 55.8 seconds. 55.8. It's a split. 78-76. 2-point lead for Lobao. Turnover. Garcia lost it. What a way to start 2024. 3 out of the 4 games are so close. Decided on the last second. And now Lobao will waste away the time. They have a 2-point lead, 78-76. 40 seconds remaining in this fourth and final quarter. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pick provided by De La Cruz. Here's Delfino, makes his move. Delfino fires a 3-point shot. It goes! It goes! It goes! Big basket! Delfino! De La Cruz and Delfino bombs away from right to left. Wow! Nerves of steel of this guy, yeah? Back to live action, 29.4 seconds. The reason why I don't want to mute, because I want to hear the sound of the crowd, the intense atmosphere, the intense moment. Because these games like this will make you a better basketball player and as a player as a team. Now, slight handicap for San Simon. They are down by 5. Both teams in penalty. And San Simon had no more timeouts to call. It's important they score a basket here. Here it comes. Angeles, wide open 3-point shot. It goes out. Battle for the rebound. It's a Blue Shirts has it. And Delfino will drop a foul. Delfino has been superb in this fourth quarter. That might seal the deal. And that foul is an unsportsmanlike foul. It's a criteria 1. Direct hit to play the ball, so it will be 1 more free throw plus possession for Lubao. But this might seal the deal, ladies and gentlemen. But what a ball game in the last 2 minutes, huh? Delfino. What a fourth quarter. This guy has a nervous feel just like Manalang. And he will be unanimous choice for MVP honors for this ball game. Delfino now takes care of the basketball. And another foul is given up. Despite the miss, Delfino from a close ball game and with a 7-point cushion Labao is just 20 seconds away for securing this victory. But what a ball game we're seeing. 3 of the 5 games of Delta Cup today are close. That's how you welcome 2024 with a bang. And Delfino says, amen. This game is ours. 8-point lead. Last ditch stand for the White Shirts of San Simon. 3-point shot won't work. Matter for the rebound. 12 seconds to go. Delfino says, that's enough. Lubao says, San Simon had a Jesuit partnership. What a ball game we're seeing here. Final score is 76-84. Woo! Delfino will be the best player. In just a few moments, I'll interview him. This is what Delta Cup is all about.
Hello.
Ang ating final score, 84-76. I'm almost running out of the vocal cords. This is what we call nerves of steel. 11 points in the fourth quarter. Our best player of the ball game, of course, si Delfino. Bro, masasabi ko lang doon sa dikit na laban na yun on the last 2 minutes, yung marginal basket ngayon, anong tumatakbo sa isip mo?
Tumatakbo lang sa isip ko, maglaro lang po kami ng as a team. Pumipensa lang po kami lumayos, makuha namin po yung laro na.
Ito, bumabaktak ka. Na-inspired ka ba na kung hindi tumapak si Manalang dun sa last time against Porac at nanalo kayo, dala-dala niyo ba yung ganyang intensity hanggang ngayon at gusto niyo pang pagigihin pa?
Opo, inaano po namin yung pagkatalo namin ng game. Dinadala po namin dito.
At dahil dyan, Delfino, dahil ikaw ang best player of the ball game, yung mga kabalay niyo dyan sa Lubao, yung mga kasama niyo dyan sa Lubao, pwede ka na bumati, magpasalamat doon.
Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat ako sa mayor namin na SB Pineda at saka si Vice Mayor Jay Montebayon at saka kay Boss Dennis Delta Pineda. Nagpapasalamat din po ako sa mga nagalubaw po nanonood sa amin. Wala po, nagpapasalamat din po ako sa mga Pampanga.
Man of Steel. This is the guy, Delfino, our best player of the world. Congratulations. One more game to go, Masantol and the other team. This is Delta Cup. We're going to conclude this Saturday broadcast with this final game tonight.